To capture additional data about your test cases, test runs, and defects, you can create custom fields. This flexibility makes it easier to organize, enrich, and analyze your testing data, helping your team work more efficiently. Qase provides custom fields to create custom data entry points. To create custom fields, navigate to your workspace settings from the top bar and select Fields from the left side menu. Click Create New Custom Field and fill out its details. The title is the only mandatory property of your custom field. The field entity can be selected from a drop-down that identifies if this field will be for your test cases, test runs, or defects. The field type is also a drop-down where you can choose what kind of data this field will hold. Available data types are number, short text, paragraph, single select or multi-select list, checkbox, radio button, user picker, URL, and date picker. Please take note that once a custom field is created, you cannot change the data type. The Enable for All Projects checkbox, when toggled off, enables you to choose which projects the custom fields are applied to. This way, you can limit the field to only be available in those projects where it's necessary. Placeholder provides a sample value in a lighter color when the custom field is empty. This can guide users on what should go into the field. It is available for all data types except for checkbox and radio button. Default values are the preset values to avoid having the custom field left blank. The Required Field checkbox, when toggled on, will make the field mandatory, so the entity cannot be created or saved unless the custom field has a value. You will have an additional tab at the top to define available values, so you can add the different options to choose from when filling out custom fields of these types. You can rearrange your values by dragging the value over to the position where you want it to be. You can customize the icon of each value by clicking on the drop-down on the left. There are pre-selected colors available, or you can input the specific hex color code for your icon. For the symbol, you can open the external link that brings you to a Font Awesome reference page with a selection of icons and their corresponding codes. To enter the code in Qase, it should start with FAS space FA dash, the icon code. Once you've created your custom field, you can now go into those projects for which the field was enabled and create or update the specific entity with the custom field. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles in our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message.